Long, press the power button on the right to turn on the device and enter the main interface. Click the icon to enter the corresponding function interface. Click the settings button to enter the system settings. There are 6 setting items in the interface: unit settings, refrigerant settings, pressure holding settings, vacuum settings, record settings, and system settings. Click unit settings, set the weight unit, temperature unit, pressure unit, and vacuum unit. Click record settings, set the record on/off, record interval time, and formatting. Click system settings, set the backlight brightness, backlight time, automatic shutdown time, language type, Bluetooth on/off, factory settings, and display mode. Scroll down to the drop-down menu to quickly set the record, Bluetooth, and display mode. Pressure measurement. Click the pressure and temperature button to enter the pressure and temperature measurement interface. Click the refrigerant button to select the refrigerant, and the selected refrigerant name will be displayed on the button icon. Select the correct refrigerant before use to avoid affecting the temperature calculation. If there is no corresponding refrigerant, open the Elitech Tools app, connect the device via Bluetooth, and customize the refrigerant data. Click the refrigerant icon in the upper right corner to enter the refrigerant interface. Select the refrigerant to be deleted, click the delete icon, and click the update icon in the upper right corner after deletion. Click all, select the refrigerant to be added, and click the bookmark icon. After selection, click frequently used, and then click the update icon. The maximum number of frequently used refrigerants that can be added is 20. Click the mode button to select the measurement mode. There are 3 measurement modes: cooling mode, heating mode, and heat pump mode. Heating mode, the high pressure and low pressure parameters will be switched for display. Heat pump mode, when the low pressure side pressure is 1 bar higher than the high pressure side pressure, the corresponding parameter display positions of the high and low pressures will be automatically switched. Click the 0 button to zero the pressure data. Connect the high and low pressure temperature clamps on both sides of the main unit and install the temperature clamps at the corresponding measurement positions of the system. Close the high pressure side valve. Connect the low pressure refrigerant tube, blue, and the high pressure refrigerant tube, red, to the instrument respectively and connect them to the measured system. Click the high pressure dial or low pressure dial area to switch to the curve mode. The curve interface can view the curve changes of low pressure, high pressure, superheat degree, subcooling degree, and other data. Click the restart button to record the data curve. Pressure holding test. Click the pressure holding test button to enter the pressure holding function interface. When performing pressure holding, connect one end of the refrigerant tube to the high pressure end of the product and the other end to the pressure holding port of the system. Close all valves. Set the pressure holding parameters. Click the settings button to set the pressure holding parameters. Target evacuation value. When the system vacuum reaches the target evacuation value, the device alarms, and then the leakage test can be started. Evacuation cycle. Set the evacuation duration. Leakage target value. The maximum vacuum value allowed for system leakage. When the vacuum exceeds the leakage target value, the system test fails. Leakage cycle. Set the leakage test duration. Fill the system with pressure, holding gas. When the pressurization target value is reached, a pop-up window will prompt on the product. Start pressure holding. Click the Start button to start the pressure holding test. If the current pressure does not exceed the leakage value within the pressure holding cycle, the pressure holding is judged to be successful. After the test is successful, it jumps to the success result display interface, and the device emits a prompt sound. If the current pressure exceeds the leakage value within the pressure holding cycle, the pressure holding is judged to be failed. After the test fails, it jumps to the failure result display interface, and the device emits a prompt sound. You can also enter through the Report button to view the historical pressure holding reports. New pressure holding test. Click the Return button in the pressure holding report interface to return, and then click the Restart button to start the pressure holding again. Vacuum test. Click Vacuum test on the main interface to enter the vacuum function. Connect the system to the high pressure side and open the high pressure side valve. In the setting interface, click Vacuum settings to set the leakage test parameters. Target evacuation value. When the system vacuum reaches the target evacuation value, the device alarms, and then the leakage test can be started. Evacuation cycle. Set the evacuation duration. Leakage target value. The maximum vacuum value allowed for system leakage. When the vacuum exceeds the leakage target value, the system test fails. Leakage cycle. Set the leakage test duration. Connect one end of the refrigerant tube to the vacuum pump, turn on the vacuum pump, and extract the pressure in the system. When the target evacuation value is reached, a pop-up window will prompt on the product. Start the leakage test. Click the Start button to start the leakage test. If the current vacuum value is greater than the leakage warning value, the test fails. Click any area of the vacuum dial to switch to the curve mode. The curve changes will be displayed in real time. Click the Return button to return to the previous level. End the test. Click the Stop button to end the leakage test. New vacuum test. Click the Restart button to start the vacuum test again. Refrigerant charging. In the system settings, turn on Bluetooth and the refrigerant scale switch at the same time, and turn on the wireless switch of the refrigerant scale. The device will automatically connect. After a successful connection, the refrigerant scale icon will be displayed in the status bar. Before charging, click the 0 button to zero the data. Click the Settings button to enter the weight setting interface and set the charging/recovery weight. After the setting is completed, click the Charging or Recovery button to charge or recover the refrigerant. Device OTA upgrade. Open the Elitech Tools app and connect the device via Bluetooth. If there is the latest firmware that needs to be upgraded, an interface prompt will appear. Click it to start the upgrade. Or click the Firmware Upgrade module in the Settings menu to upgrade the device. Click the Report menu to view the historical working data. Support offline export of Excel/PDF file reports.